Wala kayong gamay dyan!
1, 2, 3, go video. Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Dali and welcome to Delicious Vlogs. And for today's video ay nag-day off kami guys at nandito kami sa Old Souk Salmiya. So may papasukin kaming restaurant na nandito sa Salmiya at Pinoy na Pinoy ang dating para kayo nasa Pilipinas at bago yan. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa tuwing mag-upload ako. So tara guys, pasukin na natin. Nandito na kami guys sa loob. By the way, ang restaurant na to, Isha's Grill Restaurant, ay nandito sa second floor sa Little Manila sa Old Souk. Nasa second floor lang sila. Maraming mga tables guys, malawak. Meron silang parang nasa bar ka talaga at mag-i-enjoy kayo mga Filipino foods. At free kumanta. So, ito guys, oh. Umpisahan na namin. Order muna kami at almusal pa lang to. Magpansit muna kami at kain muna kami ko ng konti at magkakantahan kami maya-maya lang.
Nakarinig mo siya, nakarinig.
And help me on and give me dignity somehow you need me.
Uy, Tagalog na siya.
Bisaya.
Stand alone again
Ana-ana puti.
to face the world.
How about Ching? Iyara na Ching. You needed me.
And I can't believe it's you, I can't believe it's true. And all that can't you see? I want you here, forever, forever. We're meant to get together. I'm there when you'll be near. But I said, my dear, you're older, you have to have another. We can always play by ear. But I said, my dear.
Ito naman ay picture muna bago kami lang pumasok dito guys. Ito yung mga picture namin. Tapos, nag-order na rin kami ng pagkain, seafoods at nagmukbang kami. Napakasarap guys ng pagkain dito at yung kanin parang nasa Pilipinas ka. Kaya yung hindi pa nakakapunta dito na minsanan lang mag-day off, i-enjoy nyo guys pag lumabas kayo at pwede kayong pumunta dito. Nasa Old Souk lang to guys. Ayan. OFW na katulad ko, yung mga once a month lang mag-day off. Pag lumabas kayo guys, punta kayo dito at mag-enjoy kayo. Napakasarap ng pagkain at minsanan lang tayo mag-day off, kaya bunggahan na natin at i-enjoy ang isang araw na day off. So ayan lang guys, thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions, questions and requests, you can comment down below. See you again on my next vlog. Shout out kay Mercy na nakasama namin sa off. Until next time, be. Kita-kita tayo ulit.